everybody, it's Neil, and I've seen these things all over the internet. It's the AZ1253. No, just kidding. What it is, it's like an ink stamper that actually covers up stuff. So if they have like private information on an envelope or something like that, you can just swipe this thing over it and it covers it up. So this is what it all comes with. It comes with this big stamper that prints, it looks like it prints the word confidential on it. And then this one here is a smaller one that does, I guess it does confidential as well. So let's give this thing a try. I'm gonna try it here on, let's aim it down here, and I'll try it just on this paper here, just see what it looks like. So I just opened it up. I don't know if it needs ink or if I have to do anything to make it work, but nope, there we go. And so here we go. So I did it upside down, and see if you can see any of those words. I sure can't. Did a pretty good job of covering that up. So let's cover this one up. And now let's try this big wide one here. This is my shoulder surgery exercise guide. So it's not very confidential, but whatever. There we go. So just one swipe over it, and that does the wide swipe. One swipe over it makes it nearly illegible. I'm sure if somebody was really trying to figure it out, they could, but it would sure be a pain in the butt to do. But I don't even know, even just printing stuff on a piece of paper like this, it would be pretty tough to do. Probably if you had it on picture paper or something shiny or something like that, it might not work as good. But that's pretty cool. So it comes with 2 different sizes of it, and it looks like it comes with 4 extra inks. I guess you just probably re-ink it somehow in here. There's no instructions, but I'm gonna guess maybe even just pour it back on it when you need to. Super cool, very easy, and very nice. I mean, I guess if you need something for confidential papers or whatever, or you don't want to put your, your address instead of shredding stuff, you could just do this over it and it'll be really easy. Super cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and link is in the description if you want to pick one of these up yourself. Thank you. Bye.